Hello, my dear students. Good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope that all of you are feeling very fine, very well. And now, let us come and read chapter number 4 in our textbook, A Truly Beautiful Mind. A Truly Beautiful Mind. This title indicates towards a genius scientist. His name is Albert Einstein. All of you know that Albert Einstein was really a genius person, and he never diverted his mind towards negative things. So now we shall read about him. So he was born on 14 March 1879 in a city named Ulm. Ulm is situated in Germany. So he was born in Germany in Ulm city, and he was really not very handsome child. He was not looking different from other children, but his mother was saying that he was a freak. Freak means not better than others. है ना? Not better than others. If I say in Hindi, अगर हिंदी में बताएं, जिसको आप कहते हो ना लल्लू लगता है, तो देखने में वो लल्लू लगते थे जब वो बच्चे थे. And really he did not speak till he was 2 years and a half old. 2 years and a half, 2.5 years old, यानी 2.5 साल तक के हो गए, तब तक वो बोलते ही नहीं थे. And when he started speaking, he was speaking a word for twice. एक ही बात शब्द को 2 बार बोल. So in this way, when he was among his playmates, his friends, so he was unable to understand what to do with these students or these playmates. Mate means होता है friend, classmate, class friend, playmate, game friend. In this way, he was not speaking to them, so they were saying Einstein as boring brother. Boring brother कहते थे लोग इनको. But Einstein was not really a very dull-minded student, and once a headmaster of the school said to him, his father, that Einstein was selecting or choosing a matter, a subject that is not matter, but whatever he chooses, he never succeeds in that subject, in that matter. यानी हेडमास्टर ने उनके पिताजी से कहा कि जो कुछ भी ये सेलेक्ट करते हैं, सब्जेक्ट मैटर नहीं करता है, बल्कि जो सेलेक्ट करते हैं उसको कभी कर ही नहीं पाते हैं, कभी सफल नहीं होते हैं. तो आई थिंक इफ अ टीचर सेज दिस थिंग to the parent, certainly the parent will be very unhappy, but his father was also a very intelligent person. So Einstein was not only interested in his school, but he wanted to become a violinist. Violin वीणा आप जानते हो. He wanted to become a violinist, and his mother helped him in this matter, and really one day he became a good violinist, and he maintained this skill till his whole life. In this way, Einstein was not a dullard. After this, he went to Munich, where his parents had gone and they had settled in Munich. when Einstein was only 15 months old, and after living some time, he got the admission in high school. He was really very bold and very frank boy. So he was not happy with the regimentation of the school. Regimentation. Regimentation means the strict discipline. The strict discipline. So he was not happy with the strict discipline of the school. That is why sometimes he was clashing with the teachers. But once he left the school also, and in high school, really he got good marks in all the subjects. When he was in 11, his parents had gone to Milan. Milan is also a city in Berlin. So he went there. His once he clashes with the teacher and he left the school, his parents had gone other place and they settled there and they left him with the relatives. After a long discussion with the relatives, again he got the admission in a school, Berlin speaking school in Switzerland, and in this way he passed intermediate college. He was interested in mathematics. You can say he was gifted in mathematics but interested in physics, and that is why he made several inventions in physics and he got the Nobel Prize in physics also. So some inventions and some theories had been made by him. You know, the special theory, of relativity. The special theory of relativity, the general theory of relativity, gravitation, gravity, etc. He made his work on such chapters in which he said about the equation, about the, E is equal to mc square, E for energy, M for mass, and C for speed of the light. And this general theory tells about the gravity. In this way, he was really a very intelligent person, and also after making his education, he was an unemployed person. Then he became the technical teacher or technical officer in an office in Berlin. After some time, when Nazis came in power in Berlin, Nazis and Negroes, there are two kinds of Christians. Nazis are really very violent and superior, they think themselves, and Negroes are low caste people thought in Berlin in Christianity. So when Nazis came in power and they began violence in the country. Then Albert Einstein left Berlin and went to United States. And before this, he married with Mileva. Mileva was his friend student, and after 16 years they divorced each other. After some time, again he married with his cousin Elsa, and with this marriage, or with the course of this marriage, Albert was rising high above, successfully in his inventions and other things. And in this way, in the last, Albert Einstein was able to get the Nobel Prize in physics. And you know that once, on the urging of his friend, he wrote a letter to the president of Franklin D. Roosevelt of America, that Berlin was making an atomic bomb, and this could destroy the whole port and the surrounding area at a breath, at a chance. And it made a good effect upon America. Then America made the atomic bomb, and it used it on Nagasaki and Hiroshima, and you know, it destroyed whole city of Nagasaki and Hiroshima. And in this way, Albert Einstein again wrote the letter to United Nations to stop these things, to stop making the nuclear bombs. But it did not affect the United Nations. He wanted to make a code of the world, but he was not successful. But after 15 years, the United Nations complied. यूनाइटेड नेशन ने इस पर अमल किया, और उसके बाद एटॉमिक बम के लिए रेस्ट्रिक्शन लगाया. और इन दिस वे using his popularity, Albert Einstein came or jumped into politics, and he campaigned means fought, लड़ाई किया. He campaigned for peace and humanity. In this way, in the last line, you can see that he started a campaign for peace and democracy. शांति और लोकतंत्र के लिए उन्होंने कैंपेन, युद्ध स्तर पर लड़ाई शुरू किया. And in this way, you know that he was celebrated as a visionary. Visionary means दिव्य दृष्टि वाला, far sighted man, दूरदृष्टि वाला, and word citizen as much as scientific genius. So he was not only a scientific genius, but he had a beautiful mind. He wanted to keep the whole world in peace. He wanted to delete the violence from the world. Thank you very much.